Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to factory reset a TCL Roku TV. Let's go. First way, open settings. System, Advanced System Settings. Factory reset. Enter code. Second way, open Roku app. Account, Devices in account. Choose your TCL Roku TV. Remove device from account or use the reset button. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset a TCL Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.